So another problem on the work work done. The problem reads like this. A chain of length 50.5 meter is placed on a pulley whose radius is 16 centimeter. One end of the chain hangs down 40 meter below the point it leaves the pulley. So this one. And a man holds the other end and pulls it down until the length of the chain on either side of the pulley is equal. So he has to pull down, so it will become equal. Full stop. Find the work done by the man. So given the weight of the chain as 10 Newton per meter length and pulley is frictionless. So now the total length of the chain what he has given is C2D is 50.5 meter. So that means length is equal to what he has given is 50.5 meter. Then the diameter or radius. So radius of the pulley is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. So that means R is equal to 16 centimeter, that is equal to 0.16 meter. 0.16 meter. So now the total weight of chain is equal to 50.5 into 10, because for every meter length its weight is 10 Newton, so therefore it will be equal to 505 Newton is the total weight. So now in this one you have got three segments. One segment is AC, another one is the half of the circumferential length of this the pulley, and the other length is BD. So now let us find out this length, how much it is. So that means BD is equal to the total length of this. So that means total length minus 40, that is AC, then minus AB, that AB is nothing but the half of the circumferential length of this a pulley. So that is equal to, that is 50.5 minus 40 minus half into 2 pi r. 2 pi r, r is 16. So therefore you will get this is equal to 10 meter. This length BD is equal to get 10 meter. Now the weight of the chain BD is equal to, that means weight of the chain BD is equal to 10 into 10. So that is equal to 100 Newton. And then weight of chain AC is equal to 40 into 10, that is equal to 400 Newton. That means this length what you have calculated is 10 meters, so therefore per meter length it is 10 Newton, so therefore you will get it 100 Newton is the weight, and on the other side it is, so 40 multiplied by 10 it will be 400 Newton is the weight of the chain on AC. Let P be the applied force at D by the man. Let P be the applied force by the man at D. So that means now he has to apply the force such that it will come down, so that the both the sides it should be equal to one another. So now the force applied on this one, in order to bring it down, so that is equal to, so the weight applied, that means load applied on this one is equal to, that is P plus weight of BD, that must be equal to the that means 40, the so weight of AC. So that here the P is to be applied plus weight of this one already I have calculated, that is 100, that is equal to weight of this one is the 400 Newton. So therefore the force to be applied, it should be equal to 300 Newton, so that on both the sides it will be balanced. So that means so much of force you will have to apply. That means weight plus applied force must be equal to the weight of the chain on this side for the equilibrium. So therefore P is equal to so much. So when the chain is pulled, the length of the BD goes on increases, whereas AC goes on decreases gradually. So it indicates that the weight of the chain BD goes on increases and AC goes on decreases until the length on both the sides of the pulley is equal. That means now the 40 minus 10, the beginning, that will be only the difference will be 30. So that now 15 is to be raised on this side, so that 15 will be brought it downward. So that means net movement of this, the chain is 15 meter. So now for this case, at the beginning we are going to apply the force P is equal to 300 Newton, and it goes on decreases as the weight on this side increases and weight on the other side decreases. So that means the force has to be decreased, and when it goes to 0, when both the sides, it is equal to 15 meters. So that means therefore the work done is equal to average force, that means average force multiplied by distance multiplied by displacement. That is equal to, average is 300 divided by 2 into distance moved is 15. So that is equal to 2250 Newton meter. 2000 so 2250 Newton meter is the work done. That is equal to so many joules. So in this case logic is required, because the force what we are going to apply here is it goes on decreases as the chain, as you are pulling downward. So that means chain comes down. So that means on this side chain length is increases. Because of the increase, the weight is going to increase. So simultaneously on the other side the chain will be going up. So that means length is goes on decreases. So the naturally the weight is also decreases. So now ultimately how much length it has to be raised is the difference in the length. So 40 minus 10, that will be only 30 meters. Now in that 30 meters it has to go up by 15 centimeters meters on this side, and it has to come down 15 meters on this side. That is the logic what we are going to apply here. So based on that one, how much work is done. So that means average force applied is equal to 300 by 2, that is 150, and then the total length raised is 15 meters. So therefore the total work done is equal to 2250 Newton meter, or that is equal to so many joules.